How to fix Instagram story music not available or not showing up. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to go to Play Store or App Store and then search on Instagram. Now that you're on Instagram, you just have to make sure that this button right here says open. If it says update, you just have to update your Instagram to its latest model for you to get the latest features. Now, if that still does not work, you can try and go to settings, search for apps, and then click on apps again and search for Instagram. Now that you're on Instagram, we just have to tap on storage, clear cache, and clear data. This will enable Instagram to restart the course of its program without losing your post and your account as well. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!